Hey guys, welcome to the full review of the Misfit Vapor. I posted an unboxing about 10 days back and I have been using it daily since the past 10 days. So I've been using it paired with an Android phone, specifically the Galaxy S7 running 7.1 Nougat. So all my user experience would be based on that. So first giving you a physical overview of the device. Let me just turn it. First of all, you can see that this is the main crown button, and this is the only physical button on it. You turn it on with this, and there's some nice animation that will go on. So meanwhile, I'll just give you this is a full stainless steel body along with the lugs. But downside that I think is that the back is plastic, and looking at the labels you can see that it's 50 meter water resistance or 5 atmosphere pressure. It's made in China obviously, and certified with the European standards. These are the charging pins, and actually 2 of them are charging and 2 of them are data. So actually it can get a physical connection to a computer, which is actually not that common on many of the Android Wear watches. Case in point, the Moto 360 only has a wireless solution, so it's very difficult to troubleshoot it or do some modding and stuff. So on the back you can see that this is the heart rate sensing mechanism. This is actually the sensor itself, and these are the green lights that flash on it. So it's an optical sensor. This is just a knob to place it better on the charging pad. So it's turned on, and on here you can see the 1.39 inch OLED display. And we just got a notification, and on the side you may think that it's got a very thick bezel, and in fact some of the very reputable reviewers online have said that wow, this is such a bad design because it's got such a thick bezel. What they really fail to see, just without using their common sense, is that this is in fact is a touch sensitive bezel. So you can obviously use the touch screen like any watch, but when you want to see notification or scroll down or anything, you can also use this touch bezel. This is actually one of the big plus points of this watch. So you can also open some. So and using this crown button, it also acts as a menu button, so you can scroll to the apps installed. There's just another mic on it, and there is no speaker, probably to save cost because this is a purely fully waterproof watch, so you putting a speaker would involve a lot of work on it. It comes with this strap, as I showed in the unboxing video. It's a silicone or whatever you want to call silicone gel strap. It's pretty nice. It's actually rubber, fits well, hasn't come off, and is good when you wanna go for a run or even day-to-day use, because even if you sweat it does not get unusable. So a thumbs up for that. And obviously this 20mm watch band, you can buy any common 20mm watch from the market and put one on. Now coming to the watch and the performance itself. Performance is next to none from any watch, from as far as I have used. There has been no lags or stutters. It's using the Snapdragon 2100 for the day-to-day tasks, and combined with probably 512 megabits of RAM. We don't have a confirmation on that. I will check with AIDA64 and try to report it. And and actually a watch can only do so much, so there's very little things that this processor finds difficult. Now coming to the user interface, it's a typical Android Wear watch with just the addition that this comes with Android Wear 2.0 out of the box, and it's actually running 2.7 as of filming this. So you can swipe down to see the control center, down to the notifications. You can scroll to the right to see more watch faces. Now the one I'm using was TimeGate. I've installed some third-party ones from the Play Store, and they work well. And it's a totally round watch. There is no flat tire for us to speak of. And also, since this is an OLED display, it's important to note that, for example, on this watch, and see now this is an always on display, the pixels that are black right now are actually totally turned off. Only the white pixels are turned on, and so it's a pretty good power saving technology as well. So OLED is just got onto the internet now, and an important thing that I want to tell is some of the watch faces do not support burn-in protection. Since this is an OLED display, it's important to make sure that there's no burn-in, and it will obviously be more when you have that always on display on. So you can force display burn-in protection, and that will enable it, but you have to do it with every reboot. So I commonly use either this default watch face, or probably one of this TimeGate, or I've downloaded a bunch of Facer. Facer is actually a third-party app, so it's actually an app. So it comes as a watch face, and within that watch face you can actually select the face that you want. So right now I've got this running on it. So if I tap it, this is the Facer watch face currently. Now these are some of the recent ones that I was using. I like this one quite a lot, because even when it is on ambient mode, now a very easy way to turn off the display is just put your hand over it and it turns to an ambient display. Now I use this way because it's got all the markings, and in fact it's also got the readings for the battery life of the watch. So this is the battery life of the watch, this is the battery life of the phone. Obviously all the dials are clear, and it's also got some burn-in protection. I can see the dials moving when I turn it on or off, so that's reassuring. Now coming to the battery life of this watch, I'm actually very happy to say that when I use it from the morning, say about 8:30 till about 9 p.m. in the morning, in the evening, it's easy to get by the day by using just 50% of the watch's battery. So theoretically you could use it throughout the day, say about 12 to 14 hours, turn it off, use it the next day, and still use it the whole of second day. And this battery life has been achieved with the always on display, that is this ambient mode turned on. Obviously if you want to extend your battery life even more, what I've seen is, say you're going to be busy and you don't really need to be disturbed by any of the things, you can go on, turn on the airplane mode, and possibly even turn off the ambient display. So what you would need to do is tilt the watch, do the movement that you would do usually when trying to see the time on your wristwatch, and it would turn on. So that would actually extend your time by a whole lot. So all in all, in the price of 14,500, I am very happy with this watch. So all in all, in the price of 14,500, I am very happy with this watch. It also comes with a 2-year international warranty, so that's reassuring. Important thing to note is that once your warranty is over, it's very difficult to get repairs of any smartwatch, no matter what brand it is. And even if you do get it, it will be pretty much the same as the cost of a new watch. So a good longer warranty is helpful in this case. So this thing is available on Flipkart. Currently no discounts on it. Maybe some card deals that keep coming on and off on Flipkart, so you could get it a bit cheaper. So just to show you how it charges, I've got the charger right here. This is the charging puck. So basically these are the charging pins. This is just the nubbin to fix it. You just take it and it self-centers. It starts charging and it goes onto the screen. Now charging is actually a bit slow from what I've seen. It takes about hour 30 minutes to charge at least, sometimes even up to 2 hours. Somehow it doesn't take too much of current while charging, about 250 to 300 amperes from what I read online. So that is, but the biggest problem I have is build quality. For example, I can't even keep it perfectly there. I have to keep something on top of this to stabilize the puck. It would be great if they could give a dock or probably a holder for this. And also it's made of just plastic, so I hope nothing happens to it. So I would definitely recommend to anybody who is looking to get into Android Wear and get this smartwatch. It's working well for me. So if you like this video, you can also check out other videos on the channel, and I'll see you later. Thank you.